What's up, YouTube? It's your girl JJ, and I'm back again with another clothing haul video for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe so you can be updated with my videos when they're posted. And without further ado, we're gonna just jump right into the video. Let's get into this video. Okay, first thing I'm gonna pick from Telly's. First thing I got from Telly's, I got these little type of material, if you can see. I don't know, but I got these at Tilly's, and it's a large. He's stretchy. And I'm gonna try all of these outfits, so I'm gonna have a little picture in the corner of my little outfits. So here's the one. And I also got these from Tilly's too. Did I say how much these was? These was $20. And I also got these from Tilly's. And these, I think these was $15. I don't know what the tag is, but got these from Tilly's. And these, I think these look real cute with a black crop top shirt. Period on period. Then last but not least, I got this. Or did I say that? Last but not least. Okay. But I got this little sweater thingy. It's like a scarf. If you know me, you know your girl likes scarves, so you gotta look good with this scarf on. But yeah, I just got this scarf. It's cute. So much Forever 20 bag last. Next, I went to Akira. Let me scoot back a little bit. Next, I went to Akira. And I got me this cute kind of glue. It's not glitter, but it's like diamonds or something like that. I got this. I thought this was super cute. And it's like a crop top shirt. And you know your girl loves the crop tops. When I went there, this shirt was $15, but it was originally $49.90. But I got it when it was on sale. It was buy something and then get the other for $1. So I really got this shirt for $1. Because at first I had bought these pants, and then it was like I can get anything else for $1. But I got these little boot cut. Jeans. These are really cute. And then they got the little rhinestones at the bottom of them. They're so cute. And then they got the little cut. The girl is gonna be clowning. And these, and then they make my butt sit up too. Can never go wrong with that. Okay, now I guess I got my Forever 20 bag. Forever 21. And for this, I just got this little dress. I'm gonna wear this in the summertime though. I just thought this was real cute, and I like the color. The color of it is real cute. But again, I'm gonna try all of these outfits in the video so y'all can see what it look like on me. But yeah, this is that. Then the back of it. And this was $17.90. But I originally got that for $8. And then I got this red dress. I just like this dress, so cute. It's so tight fitted. And then I got the little straps on there, not too thick. Probably wouldn't even notice it's there, so I feel like that'll be comfortable. And then yeah, it's just straight down. They don't have nothing else, but I like that. And then I got this little thing, like a little cardigan, little sweater thingy. And oh yeah, this thing was $14.99. And this is $17.90. And I just thought this was so cute to wear with like a dress or something. You know, I like this is cute. And then I got these pants for Forever 21. And these boys are cute. I love these. I got some pants sort of like these that I got from H&M. It ain't nothing compared to these. These mugs stretchy and everything. I really like these. I cannot wait to wear these. But these was $15.99. And these are cute. I recommend y'all get some. Then the bottom of them, they just regular. Recommend it. And then I just got these plain leggings. I like the color gray. I had got a top that'll match with these. Like, I love leggings. Like, they just, and then they so stretchy too. Just the regular leggings. You know how much them cost? $5.99. And then I got like a basic tee from Forever 21. Like a mustard color. Super cute. And I got this for $3.90. Now I'm planning on wearing some of these with some leggings. Whatever. And then I got this little crop top shirt. So cute. And this is a large. I got this for $14.99, but the original price, $14.99 was the original price, but I got this for $8, this shirt. Cute. And then I got another basic tee, a gray kind of color, a light gray. This is real cute, and I got this for $3.90 as well. Then I got this crop top t-shirt, and I like this a lot because it got the little ball thingy on it. I like stuff like that, like a basic long sleeve shirt. And I got this for $5. It was originally $14.90, but it was on sale for $5. I got large in that. And I got this white shirt. And I think this is so cute. Like, if you know me, girl, I love me some white shirts. No matter what kind of shirt it is, I love white shirts. I just love white, period. But this was $12.99. I got this in a medium. Like, all my shirts don't be the same size. I just like how they fit me when I try them on. Like, I get shirts in different kind of size. Small, medium, large. It don't matter. It's just how it fits me, how I like it fit me. And I'm doing it. And I also got these black leggings. You know, you always gotta have a spare of black leggings because your girl always missing the black leggings up. Like, it's just something about black leggings. I don't know. But I always spill bleach on them, girl. Whatever. I spilled so much shit on some black pair of leggings. Like, but these was $5.99. I got these in a medium. I wear size medium in leggings. And I got this shirt. I like this shirt. It's real cute. I like it, and it's feel comfortable and it's stretchy. But yeah, I got this in a large too, and this cost $10. Like, this is so cute. Last thing from Forever 21, I got this long sleeve shirt. Got the buttons in the middle. I don't know if you can take them apart. Yeah, you can take these apart. And I just love this shirt. It's so stretchy. It feels so comfortable. Soft. Girl. But I got this in a medium. I don't know how much this is because I don't got the tag on it. But yeah, this shirt is cute. I really like this shirt. And then last but not least, my gloves. Cute too. I like the way they feel. They soft. That's the end of my video. Don't forget to like and comment. See you next video.